Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Tapo home security camera. Firstly, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for the Tapo by TP link or scan the QR code provided with your device. Download and install the app, then open it. Log in using your TP link ID. Tap Add Device and go to Plus, then Add Device. Search for your camera module and plug in your camera, then wait about 30 seconds until the LED blinks red and green. Tap Already Red and Green in the app to continue. Then go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, connect to the camera's network, then return to the app. The app will search for your camera, and when found, select your home Wi-Fi network, enter the password, then tap Join. Once paired, name your camera and assign a location, and tap Next, then Complete once the setup finishes. Also allow location access when prompt. It's only used during the setup and can be turned off later. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.